Hey, you.
Baby, please, I'm
Just
sorry.
leave my house.
Baby, I'm
Get out of my
sorry.
house.
Baby, please, I'm
Don't
sorry.
let me lay my hand on you.
Baby, please.
Just leave my house. Get out of my house.
Baby, I'm sorry. But where do you want me to go to? Baby,
Thank you.
Daddy, good day, Daddy.
Johnny.
Yes, Daddy. But there's so much love yesterday. It was
yes,
wow, powerful. Now they say, let me come and see what I can do for my pastor.
Johnny.
You want me to clean the house, wash the thing? I'm ready for you.
You're a good follower.
I really want to make heaven. So I'm ready to.
Okay, let me call my wife.
Mama!
Daddy.
Come.
Honey, go
He's shocking. Johnny, this is my wife. Sweetheart. Meet Johnny, our new member. He started church yesterday. Say hi to mommy now.
Hi, mommy.
welcome, my son.
So, Johnny wants to help us with the house chores. So let him wash my clothes and your clothes and clean the house for us, okay?
That's so nice. My own days are dirty too.
Beautiful. Take him through, eh? I'll see you later.
Okay. I have some clothes and plate I would like you to wash for me, my son. Tell me, my son.
My ex is not my mommy. What the world?
Keep quiet.